Hi guys, it's Darlene and welcome to my channel. All right, today is the first gift guide and I thought I would start with skincare. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. First and foremost, if you're already subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you so very much. If you are not yet subscribed, be sure to hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell if these videos are of interest to you. So I will be doing gift guides this holiday season. I will do one this week, which is this one, and then I will do two next week and then two the following week. The gift guide that I'm going to start with is skincare, and I want to know that every single thing that I show you I either own or I've tried and used, or it's something that I want. That's a gift to myself that I've been wanting to try. So let's jump right in. I think the first thing I'm gonna start with, let's start head to toe. How about that? So I'm gonna count this as skincare because your scalp is your skin, right? So I'm gonna start with my favorite shampoo and conditioner. If you've watched my channel for any length of time, the only shampoo and conditioner that I use is from Purology. Purology is a company that specializes in color treated hair, and it's designed so whether you want volume, whether you're a blonde, a redhead, a brunette, whether you have thin hair, thick hair, curly hair, they have a shampoo and conditioner for you. I will tell you it's extremely expensive, but well worth it. It has none of the garbage inside the shampoo or conditioner that you don't want. So it's an excellent product, and even though it is expensive, you only use a little bit. They have a gift set, and I'm gonna show it to you, and I'm gonna tell you the price, and then you're gonna jump on it because it is off of Groupon, and I don't know how long it'll last. So jump on it. So I got this gift actually for my daughter, and then I turned around and ordered another one for myself because I'm like, this is crazy, the deal. So let me show you. First of all, unbelievably cute packaging. They have about 5 or 6 kits. It depends on what you need. I think this one is the Smooth Perfection. So this is for smoothing. She has really thick hair like I do. And this is like by far the cutest packaging. So you just open it up. You do it like this. Here we go. So it opens up and it comes with the shampoo and conditioner. It comes with their new dry shampoo. I have not tried this yet. I am beyond excited to try this. Again, everything is designed for color treated hair. And it's meant to keep the color and not have it fade. And then basically a leave-in conditioner spray. So these two products are new and I have not tried them. The shampoo and conditioner, just to give you a price point on this, guys. Shampoo and conditioner, if you went on Purology, is $59. For these 2 small bottles, right? Oh my God, 8.5 ounces each. This kit on Purology is $66. That's still a heck of a deal because basically for $7 you're getting these 2 products. However, on Groupon, $44. I know, $44. Oh, I know, I should probably buy like 12 of them. Anyways, really cute that it's already ready for you to give. It's just beautiful and excellent. Jump on this. Jump, jump, jump. You will not regret it. It's awesome. And all of the shampoos and conditioners have aromatherapy in them, and so they smell delightful. All right, let's jump to 2. These are not going to be surprise. It's not going to surprise anybody if you see my channel. The 2 devices that I would give as a gift this holiday season. One is the NuFace. Ta-da! And the other is the DermaFlash. So let's talk about the NuFace first. All right, here's my deal. I've got a bunch of videos on NuFace. If you want to see them, I will add them into the playlist. It works. I love it. Here's, and I have put all of this in the description box, the best deals I can find for each of these products. I personally, if I had this to do over again, would get the mini and not the Trinity. The mini is exactly the same except the head doesn't pop off and you could buy attachments. I've told you this before. I do not like the L attachment. It did not work for me. I did not try the lighted one, but if you're just looking for lifting and firming, which is what I was looking for, am looking for, and love, I would go with the mini. Right now, I wrote some notes. Right now, the NuFace, the best deal I found for the mini is off of QVC. It's $164 and comes with 2 gels. And then both Macy's and Nordstrom's have it for $199. It comes with gel and something else. And it's the rose gold collection, so it's very pretty. And then if you want the regular Trinity, the lowest I found it was $295, and that also is at QVC. Otherwise, regular price is $325. All the prices will be listed in the description box. DermaFlash. Here's another one. Okay, guys, this normally is $199, I believe. It's on sale right now as of today for $141. I just looked everything up again because when I post this, I want the most up-to-date prices. So excellent as well. You know how I feel like about my DermaFlash. I love it. Totally worth it, and I'd buy it again. Or we got to move faster. Let's talk about skin. Okay, my favorite thing to give somebody would be Purology. You could give them a gift card. Here's the thing. I love Purology. Whether it's for anti-aging or whether you have a teen in your life or a young person in your life that suffers from acne, either way, this is awesome. They have a Black Friday special where when you sign up for your trial, you get a free moisturizer and cleanser, I believe. So check out the link. I'm a big firm believer in this. It works. It has diminished my age spots. It's gotten, I had super bad acne in my early years. It is faded acne scars. I mean, this is just amazing. Love it. Let's continue with skincare. A new product that I've been trying and loving and have not had a chance to talk to you guys about, but they have some great Black Friday sales as well, is a company called Go Pure. Okay, with regards to Go Pure, the price point on these products are ridiculous. It's awesome. Let me just start by saying that the products that I have tried their vitamin C cleanser. I use their hyaluronic acid serum. I use their vitamin C serum, which has hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, and green tea. And I also use their vitamin C moisturizer, which has shea butter, jojoba oil, and green tea. I love these 3 products. Are my favorite. Bomb, bomb, bomb. I love them. Now I have ordered their toner and their microdermabrasion cream to try as well. And what makes these so awesome, besides the fact that they are so reasonable, you guys are just, when you look it up, you're gonna be shocked, is here's the deal. Most of the ingredients have hyaluronic acid in them, vitamin C, shea butter, green tea, aloe, argan oil, rosehip oil. Most importantly, it's called Go Pure for a reason. No parabens, no artificial fragrances, no glycol, no hydroquinone, no formaldehyde, no SLSs, and no dyes in any of the products. So pure, pure, pure. And they have some amazing Black Friday sales as well. And I think that they have kits, and I have not done a video specifically on this product yet because I wanted to try a couple more of their products, but I wanted to add it to the gift guide because this would be a very, very nice gift. Let's talk lips for a minute. Tatcha, love Tatcha. There's a couple lip kits that are out that are beautiful. I have these Tatcha lip balms. These are beautiful and would make a gorgeous gift. I have this one in rose gold. I also have the red camellia. It's in a bag somewhere, one of my handbags. This is what the gold one looks like. It's absolutely beautiful. Has little gold flakes. The red camellia is gorgeous. It's a red tinted color. This is the outside. They're beautiful. And there's a couple different kits that I've listed for you guys, but here's what makes these awesome as well. They actually do a beautiful job. So they're a beautiful lip balm. They're not sticky or greasy or anything like that, and they're just beautiful to carry and gorgeous. The other thing that I would recommend from Tatcha, you could get the little kit and add this to it, is the Kissou lip mask. For at nighttime, you put this on and it's never sticky or oily or weird or anything like that, and it just really does a great job at moisturizing your lips. That's been in my favorites. Let's talk about your body. Talk about your body. My favorite body butter by far is by Josie Maran. This is amazing. This one is the vanilla apricot and it smells so good. There is nothing like argan oil. It just, this is by far the best moisturizer. I have tons of these. They have a couple gift kits going on. They have, this is an 8-ounce size, right? So they have a kit that has an 8-ounce size and two 2-ounce size travel kits. They also have one that has 4 4-ounce kits. What I do is I buy the 4 4-ounce one and I give them away as gifts. That's what I like to do. I think they make a great gift. Or you can give someone that you really love all 4 of them. Or 3 and keep 1 for yourself. Okay, next, let's talk about our teeth. Yay! So I recently did a video and a trial for Smile Brilliant. This is an amazing gift. So easy to do, and most importantly, it works. If you did not see my before and afters, again, I'll list the video. But this is a really awesome gift. All right, with regards to Smile Brilliant, guys, as well, the teeth whitening kit, Black Friday price, 35% off. I know. I have deals on Saturday and Sunday as well. So click the link and check it out. Again, I'm not sponsored by anyone in this video. These are just the deals that I found and the things that I love and the things that I have used. Next, let's talk about Korean skincare. I'm going to talk about my favorite, which is Tony Moly. There's a couple things that I love. One, this is the Chalk Chalk Watery Cream. This is a gift, or I'd open it up for you. I actually have done this as in one of my favorites. It's a beautiful, lightweight moisturizer for your face. Feels wonderful. My daughter and daughter-in-law love this. They have a kit. There's 3 or 4 things that it comes with. I can't remember. That's a beautiful kit as well. I've also tried their toner. It's a beautiful toner. So I've put several options for you if you're interested in that. The other thing, now I have not tried these and I'm excited to try them, and I've been wanting to, and this is such a great kit. It is the Ultimate Mask Collection by Tony Moly. So it has, oh my gosh, look how beautiful this is. Let me, these masks. Isn't that awesome? Some of them are like, I'm lavender, I'm a cactus. These are lemon eye patch kits. Here's a honey mask sheet. Here's a coconut. I mean, it goes on and it tells you. So some of them are for moisturizing. And then this one is for nutrition. This was for clear skin. I mean, it goes on and on and on. How many are in here? My God, 19 masks. 19, yes. And so I think this is just a great kit. Whoop. Let's talk about Thomas Roth. Y'all know I just recently did a comparison to the 3 kinds of eye patches that he does, and the hyaluronic cloud eye patches came in first. This is by far my favorite. There's an empty over there, and here is a brand new full one. Love this. There is a kit called Get Drenched, and it is the hyaluronic formula. So it comes with the moisturizer, the cream cleanser, and the cloud serum. And it's for all skin types. That's what's great about it. Doesn't matter if you're normal, oily, dry, combination. It's great for all of them. So that is a great kit that they've come out. Another thing that I have not tried that I'm excited to try, and that's why I got this for me, is the masks. So you see that they have the pumpkin enzyme, the Hungarian thermal water mineral mask, 24 karat gold mask. And so I'm really excited about this, and this would be a great stocking stuffer. They also have then the big one with the jars. It's about this size roughly, and I will list both in the description box. I think these are great, and I can't wait to try them out. So I bought that for myself. See how that works. So that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and be sure to click the notification bell. Next week, we are going to talk about beauty. And then we're gonna have a video, a gift guide for women, men, favorite Amazon, and you never know what else I might come up with. I hope you guys have a wonderful Thanksgiving. Lots of love to you and your families, and I will talk to you very soon. Bye, guys.